The 2026 Suzuki Swift arrives as one of the most anticipated compact hatchbacks of the year, and for good reason. Suzuki has taken everything people loved about the previous Swift models: agility, efficiency, affordability, and wrapped it all into a more modern, more refined, and more advanced package. This new generation clearly aims to strengthen Suzuki's reputation in the compact car segment, offering a blend of youthful styling and technology that makes it appealing to both new drivers and longtime Swift lovers. Today, we are diving deep into what the 2026 Swift brings to the table, how it performs on the road, what the interior feels like, and how Suzuki has priced this upgraded model for global markets. On the outside, the 2026 Swift has a fresh energy that makes it look sportier and more mature at the same time. Suzuki has sharpened the curves, updated the lighting elements, and refined the proportions to give it a more aerodynamic appearance. The front grille is slimmer yet bolder, with a more pronounced outline that gives the Swift a confident stance for a compact hatchback. The LED headlamps have a more angular signature, giving the car a modern identity that stands out in traffic. The body lines flow smoothly from the hood to the rear, creating a sense of motion even when the car is at rest. New alloy wheel options add more character, especially with the dual-tone variants that really elevate its youthful personality. The rear styling has also seen improvements with sleeker taillights and a restyled bumper that makes the car look wider, more planted, and more refined. Overall, the exterior of the 2026 Swift is a successful evolution, still instantly recognizable, but fresher, sharper, and more premium. Move inside and the transformation continues. Suzuki has redesigned the cabin to bring it closer to the standards set by modern compact cars. The dashboard layout is cleaner and more driver-focused, with fewer physical buttons and more intuitive controls. The center touchscreen stands out as one of the biggest upgrades. It's crisp, responsive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making smartphone connectivity seamless. The steering wheel feels more premium with its flat bottom design and integrated controls. Seat quality has improved noticeably. They offer better cushioning, more support, and an upgraded fabric or optional leather trim depending on the variant. Space remains one of the Swift's strong points. The front seats give plenty of leg and headroom, while the rear seats are comfortable for adult passengers, which is impressive for a compact hatchback. Storage spaces around the cabin are smartly placed, including cup holders, door pockets, and a practical center console. The updated air conditioning system cools the cabin quickly, and Suzuki has put effort into reducing cabin noise, giving the new Swift a more refined driving experience compared to older models. When it comes to comfort, the 2026 Swift succeeds in providing a smooth and pleasant everyday driving experience. The suspension tuning has been refined to absorb bumps more efficiently, making city driving feel lighter and more stable. The seats contribute significantly to overall comfort with better ergonomics and enhanced back support. Suzuki has also improved the insulation, which means the cabin feels quieter even at higher speeds. Despite being compact, the Swift gives a balanced sense of space, creating a relaxed environment for both driver and passengers. Long drives feel less tiring, and the compact dimensions make it easy to maneuver in tight areas, making it ideal for urban use. Performance is where the Swift keeps its long-standing advantage. The 2026 model comes with a refined 1.2-liter engine that delivers responsive acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. Suzuki's lightweight platform allows the engine to feel more energetic than the numbers suggest, making it enjoyable to drive. The steering is sharp, offering good control around corners, while the improved suspension gives the car better stability. Whether you choose the manual or automatic transmission, gear shifts feel smoother and more controlled. Efficiency continues to be one of the Swift's biggest selling points. Suzuki promises excellent mileage, making it an ideal car for daily commuting without breaking the bank. Its handling, agility, and lightweight feel make it a fun little hatchback that maintains the spirit of the Swift legacy. As for pricing, Suzuki keeps the 2026 Swift competitive. Depending on the region and variant, the expected price range falls between $16,000 to $20,000, making it one of the most affordable modern hatchbacks with advanced features. Suzuki aims to offer maximum value at this price, and the upgrades clearly reflect that intention. The 2026 Suzuki Swift is a well-rounded compact car that blends style, comfort, technology, and efficiency. It appeals to budget-friendly buyers, young drivers, families looking for a second car, and anyone who wants an easy-to-drive, reliable hatchback. Suzuki has delivered a fresh, improved, and more capable Swift that continues its tradition of being fun, practical, and affordable.